Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary grocery store. And today, you leave that alone. Sherman. And today we're gonna teach you how to make a favorite. This is called London broil. Now think about this. If you're gonna have guests over for dinner, would you say, hey, come on over, we're fitting to put a good scald on some chicken, throw some dogs on the grill? Or would you like to come over for some London broil? I just love the name London broil. And London broil is nothing more than a marinade that we're going to take an inexpensive cut of meat. In this case, I'm going to use a top round. And we're going to just marinate it. And I'm going to teach you how to make the marinade. Just take 5 minutes. 5 minutes to learn how to do a London broil. And you're going to cut it across the grain in slices. Folks, you're going to love it. But of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good boy, good boy, good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And of course, everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up.